Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you how I lay my frontal wig, the things I use, and I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel before we jump into this video. So guys, please do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I will be installing this honey brown wig. I actually made it myself. So we'll be needing the got2b glue, water bottle, toothbrush, comb, mousse, and a piece of cloth. So for the water, I ended up not using the water here in this video, but it's just for me to just tame some flyaway if I am not using the styling mousse. Yeah, that is it. So now I am applying the got2b glue, then using the toothbrush to just brush that in. Then I'm going to be using a hand dryer to just make that, to be tacky a bit before applying the second layer on my hair, on my edges. So this is me doing the second layer, applying the second layer onto my hairline, then go back to the hair dryer, make it tacky a bit before I wear my wig. So now I am going to place the lace on top where I applied the got2b glue. Yeah, then press that in, just make sure it laps. So after placing that on the glue, I am going to make sure that the hair just are up, like out of the way, so I see what I am doing. So after placing your frontal properly, like where you want it to be, make sure you check to see if it's still moving, or there's some places that the glue didn't get to. So all you just need to try and lift it. If you see any area that doesn't have like glue on, that is still moving, just lift it up like so. Just check like so, then lift it up, apply your glue again, then just press that place down, press the lace on the glue, press the lace on the glue, press it down, then use the hand dryer to just do like a little bit of cold breeze, and I'm doing the same thing to every area that I noticed that it was still raising up. So I did that same thing to the other side of my face, and I used the piece of cloth that I had to just lay the front while I wear some red lipstick. So yeah, so I basically tied that down, use just the hand dryer to just blow some breeze onto my big forehead. Then that is it. So I went ahead to apply some lipstick from Milani and Hush Beauty, and I was good to go, guys. I love this lip stain, so beautiful, lightweight, it wasn't breaking at all. I wore it for the whole day. So after wearing the lip stain, my lipstick, I came back to my hair and I unwrapped it, I untied it. Then this is me applying the styling mousse just to, just keep the flyaways in place. Then if you notice, I'm trying to check if it's going to move, but it's not moving. It is not moving. So you can actually carry your wigs on for days like this. It didn't move. So guys, got to be glue is big when you don't want to pull your wigs, when you want to rock your wigs for days without pulling them. So guys, thank you very much for watching. So before you go, please try to subscribe to my channel. Let's make this thing work. Let's make this channel grow, guys. Please, guys, I'm begging. So yeah, I did some baby hair and I was good to go to take some selfies. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know that I haven't been consistent here, but I always promise, but I'm going to keep to my promises this time around. This is 2/9/10. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learn one or two things from this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.